This video compares two software tools. An AI voice walks you through everything clearly. Infinox positions itself as a flexible, execution-focused broker, designed to serve both retail and more experienced traders who want choice without unnecessary friction. The platform supports MT4 and MT5 across desktop, web, and mobile, giving traders access to Forex, indices, commodities, equities, and cryptocurrencies through a familiar trading environment. Execution is built around ECN and STP models, allowing traders to choose between tighter spreads with commissions or commission-free pricing with slightly wider spreads. Liquidity depth is a strong point here, with fast order execution and minimal requotes during normal market conditions, which appeals to scalpers and intraday traders. Infinox also supports advanced tools like copy trading, VPS hosting, and automated strategies, making it suitable for traders who want to scale beyond manual execution or run multiple systems simultaneously with consistent performance. The advantages of Infinox include platform reliability, competitive spreads on ECN accounts, flexible leverage options, and a wide selection of instruments across major and alternative markets. Multiple account configurations allow traders to adapt the setup to their strategy rather than forcing a one-size-fits-all structure. Customer support is frequently mentioned as responsive and helpful, particularly during onboarding, verification, and initial funding stages, which reduces friction for new users. On the downside, higher leverage may not be suitable for inexperienced traders, and some users report that advanced tools and integrations require time to configure properly. While the platform is well-rounded from an execution standpoint, it does not heavily differentiate itself with proprietary analytics, built-in portfolio intelligence, or deep institutional research layers. Infinox was founded in 2009 and has steadily built its reputation as a global broker focused on execution quality and account flexibility rather than aggressive marketing or promotional gimmicks. Over time, it expanded its regulatory footprint and product range, positioning itself as a mid-tier broker that balances accessibility with professional trading features. Its growth has been gradual and consistent, appealing primarily to traders who value platform stability, transparent trade execution, and predictable trading conditions rather than social trading hype or short-term bonuses. Pricing reflects that flexibility. Traders can choose between STP accounts with no commissions and ECN accounts where spreads are tighter and commissions apply per lot. Minimum trade sizes start from micro lot levels, making it accessible for smaller accounts, while leverage options vary depending on jurisdiction and regulatory restrictions. Account types include individual accounts, joint accounts, and corporate accounts, allowing both retail traders and business entities to participate. There are no hidden platform fees for standard trading activity, but optional services such as VPS hosting, premium add-ons, or enhanced execution tools may carry additional costs depending on usage. Overall, Infinox pricing structure prioritizes transparency and choice, allowing traders to pay for execution quality rather than bundled extras they may not need. SuperFin positions itself as a modern online broker offering access to Forex, commodities, indices, and crypto CFDs through familiar trading platforms. Core features include MT4 support, leverage-based trading, and promotional trading incentives designed to attract new users. The platform emphasizes accessibility, fast onboarding, and a simplified account setup, which lowers the barrier to entry for people who want to start trading quickly without dealing with complex verification or advanced configuration. Traders can place orders easily, monitor open positions in real time, set basic risk controls like stop loss and take profit, and rely on standard technical indicators directly inside the trading platform to guide short-term decisions. On the positive side, SuperFin's interface is relatively straightforward. Account registration is fast, and the platform supports multiple asset classes from a single dashboard, reducing the need to manage several accounts across different brokers. Promotional offers and bonuses may appeal to short-term traders who want additional margin flexibility or higher initial exposure. However, there are notable drawbacks that should not be ignored. Educational resources are limited, meaning beginners receive very little structured guidance beyond basic platform use. Advanced trading tools, analytics, and research features are minimal, and transparency around trading conditions, fees, and execution policies can feel lighter compared to more established brokers. Some users also mention that customer support responsiveness varies, which can be frustrating during volatile market periods when timely assistance matters most. SuperFin is a newer entrant compared to long-established brokers, and its operating history is relatively short. This means it has less long-term performance data, fewer publicly documented milestones, and a smaller base of long-term users. While newer platforms can innovate faster and offer aggressive promotions, they also lack the credibility built through multiple market cycles, regulatory scrutiny over time, and consistent execution during extreme volatility, all of which cautious traders should factor into their decision-making. In terms of structure, SuperFin offers specific account types, including standard, ECN, and Islamic accounts, each designed to suit different trading preferences and compliance needs. The standard account focuses on simplicity and ease of use. The ECN account is aimed at traders seeking tighter spreads with commissions, and the Islamic account removes swap charges for Sharia-compliant trading. Fees, spreads, and trading costs vary by account type and instrument, and traders should always review the latest conditions directly on the official site before funding an account to avoid surprises. Looking at public feedback, Infinox currently holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.6, with customers frequently praising fast execution, tight spreads, and platform stability, especially on ECN accounts. Many comments highlight smooth MT4 and MT5 performance and a generally reliable trading experience over time. SuperFin, on the other hand, shows a Trustpilot rating of 2.9. Reviews are mixed, with some users appreciating the simple setup and accessibility, while others raise concerns about support response times, clarity of conditions, and overall trustworthiness. Final takeaway. If you're an experienced trader who values execution quality, tighter spreads, and a broker with a longer operating history, Infinox is the more established and confidence-driven choice. If you're a newer trader curious about a simplified platform and promotion-focused environment, SuperFin may seem appealing, but it comes with higher risk due to mixed user feedback and a shorter track record. If this comparison helped you, hit like, subscribe for more honest broker breakdowns, and click the link below to access the platform that actually matches how you trade and manage risk day to day.